These days, crypto feels a lot noisier than it used to. Every app claims to have some smarter system, every thread says a different token is about to explode, and half the reviews online either sound like a trading textbook or a straight-up promo. So, when something keeps showing up in conversations over and over again, I usually stop guessing and test it myself. That's how I ended up looking into Hyperliquid and the tools being built around it. I kept seeing people mention copy trading, trader tracking, automated execution, stuff like that. A couple traders I follow brought it up, then I ran into it again while checking another platform, and after a while, I figured, all right, let's actually see what this thing does in practice. But before I get into the technical side, I want to walk through the actual process first. In my experience, if the basic workflow is confusing, the rest usually isn't much better. First thing, I need to log in. This platform gives me a few connection options. I'll use the wallet method I normally work with. And okay, dashboard is loaded. We're in. At the top, I can see my account overview with a section tied to my wallet. I also see some activity stats from earlier sessions, but I'll come back to those later. Okay, for now, I open Explore tab. This page shows a list of traders available on the platform. I can sort them by different metrics, compare activity, and quickly get a feel for how each trader operates. This profile looks interesting. I'm opening it, and right away, there's a pretty detailed breakdown. Recent positions, trading history, activity over time, everything's laid out in a way that's easy to read without digging through a bunch of menus. So, after looking through the data, I press Copy. Setup window pops up. This part is pretty simple. I choose how I want the copied activity to work, review the settings, make sure everything looks right, and then I hit Confirm. Now the platform is monitoring the trader I've selected and waiting for new market activity based on the configuration I chose. All right, now let's jump ahead a little after some time passes. I open the positions section. This is where everything gets tracked. I can see active positions, completed actions, and a timeline showing exactly what the system has been doing. If I want to review all the data, it's all right here in one place. So let's say I want to stop the strategy. First, I close the active copied positions. Once those requests finish processing, I click Withdraw, then I choose the token I want to receive, and then approve my request. Okay, protocol handles the transaction on-chain, and after the confirmation goes through, my wallet information updates automatically. And while that's processing in the background, let me explain how the technology works. So this platform connected to publicly visible trader activity on Hyperliquid. When selected traders open, adjust, or close positions, the system can respond according to the rules I've already set. And what I like about this setup is that I can actually verify what's happening. I can check activity records, review previous trades, and look through historical data instead of relying on screenshots or vague performance claims. And after spending years testing exchanges, trading tools, and DeFi platforms, that's usually what matters most to me. Clean workflow, clear information, and a system that doesn't make basic tasks feel complicated. If I can understand what's happening in a few minutes and easily track the activity myself, that's usually a pretty solid sign the platform was built with real usability in mind.